Hey, welcome back to the workshop. So update on the rear disc brake conversion on the GMC. I haven't been at it very much during the winter, but I'm getting back into it now and trying to wrap it up. I want to start driving it again. So I got the passenger side pretty much done. These are my spacers. I had to use these when I got these wheels. I think I mentioned it in one of my last videos. These are Accuride 19.5-inch rims for medium duty trucks. They fit perfectly on here, but the problem I ran into was they didn't clear the drums. They would bump into the drums and not sit flush. So I got these spacers, and I was hoping I'd be able to get rid of the spacers when I got the discs, but the problem is now they hit here on the caliper, and I thought, you know, being like a little bit more modern wheel that handles disc brake trucks up into the 90s, I think these were used. I thought it would clear it, but it doesn't. No big deal. I just keep the spacers, and it works. I still got some plumbing to do. I'm replumbing the whole truck with 3/16 line. I had like a mix of 1/4 inch and 3/16 in some of the new sections in the front, and I was getting terrible pedal feel. It would always bottom out. It was spongy. You know, I bled it like crazy and nothing seemed to make a difference. So hopefully running all new lines will help that. One of the things I had to do, let me show you, is in the directions, they tell you you got to take off the oil slinger on the hub, because the disc will not fit over that. It's got this, you know, it sticks out a little bit and it'll jam up. So you got to press out all the lug nuts, which isn't too bad if you have a press. And then you just got to drive this thing off, which just wanted to show. It's not terrible. There's a few holes here. You just take a drift and you just work your way back and forth through these holes and tap it off, and it's just pressed on the back of the hub. So once you get that off, the rotor will clear over it. So making progress, more to come. Thanks everybody.